Alright guys, today we are here working on a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. Now, came here for two reasons. First, a no start, and the reason why being first, I already went ahead and tested the battery. You can see the results right there. The battery actually does need to be replaced. It is cranking out 0 CCAs. That means that the battery is completely toast. Another thing, it did not have a serpentine belt. So, um, obviously, we see the not having a serpentine belt, but most people actually think that you can't start a car up without a serpentine belt. That's actually false. If you needed to start up a car in emergency purposes just to move it a couple feet away, you actually could. The first step you would do is actually turn off your AC and everything. Make sure that is completely off. Once you do that, then you'll be able to move that car those few feet and then immediately turn it right off. Now, on this car specifically, um, I already went ahead and I already talked to the customer about this, but I'm going to show you something that's actually really, really bad. And I'm also going to post the photos in there so you can actually see at different angles. Now, the tensioner, right, it has its little pulleys. One was already replaced, and the other one you're going to see. It's actually inside of the engine block and it protrudes to the point where whatever forced that old serpentine belt off, it had so much force that it punched it out and almost hit the back of some coolant hoses, and it's actually poking out. So let me go ahead and show it to you in the video, and then I'm also going to post the photos inside of the video so that way you can get uh, a better view of it and you can see why this has an issue. Let me go ahead and show you now. Okay, so the pulley that you're going to be looking at is this. This should actually spin freely, but it cannot due to the fact that you can see right there that it's not flushed. Okay, you can see that it's not flush, and that back of that bracket, which is right, try to get my hand in there. Sorry, it's kind of difficult. Right here, that is actually part of the engine block, and it is completely ripped out. Uh, and I'm trying to get a better look at it for you. There it goes. You might be able to see it right there. So it ripped a hole inside of that engine block. Guys, these cars, they put a whole lot of torque. And you also got to remember too, even though that these engine blocks are made out of aluminum, right? Aluminum will be very, very hard for our hands, like aluminum and stuff like that. It'll be very hard for our hands, but in all actuality, they're very, very, very soft metals, and they can get torn up very, very fast because these engine put out so many hundreds of pounds of torque that it can literally snap metal like that. So I will definitely have that in there. I've already talked to the customer, and I am recommending that he gets either a brand new engine or have that fixed because that is something that's not in my toolhouse. I don't have the parts to do it, and I'm also a mobile mechanic, so that's not something that I'm going to do. And it would need to be machined, so that way we can go ahead and continue replacing that serpentine belt and putting it on there properly. So if you guys enjoyed this content, like and follow because that actually helps out my YouTube channel, and YouTube will push that out to other people who are interested in the repairs and the content that I post. So I'll see you guys for the next repair. Thank you.